Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off the Talkback feature on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select where it says Accessibility. And then under Screen Reader, select Talkback. And then you just would toggle the talk back to the off position like you see on my screen. So you would click inside the oval and then it would say, do you want to disable talkback? You would select yes or disable, and then you would have it disabled like you see on my screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.